Hello and welcome to today's instructional video on solving equations. In this video, we will be solving the equation 2 times x plus 10 equals 18. By the end of this video, you will have all the steps you need to solve for the variable x. So let's get started. To solve the equation 2x plus 10 equals 18, we start by isolating the variable x. Isolation means getting x by itself on one side of the equation. The first step we will take is to remove the 10 that is added to the term with x. To remove the plus 10, we will do the opposite operation, which is subtraction. By subtracting 10 from both sides of the equation, we keep the equation balanced. So we subtract 10 from the left side and also from the right side. This gives us the new expression 2x plus 10 minus 10 equals 18 minus 10. The plus 10 and minus 10 on the left side cancel each other out, leaving us with just 2x. So now we have 2x equals 18 minus 10. We subtract 10 from 18 on the right side, giving us 8. This simplifies our equation to 2x equals 8. In this step, we have altered the original equation by subtracting 10 from both sides, which helped us get closer to isolating the variable x. Now that we have 2x equals 8, we proceed by isolating the variable x even further. The term 2x means 2 times x. To get x by itself, we need to remove the multiplication by 2. To do this, we use the opposite operation of multiplication, which is division. We will divide both sides of the equation by 2. When we divide both sides by 2, the equation will be 2x divided by 2 equals 8 divided by 2. On the left side, the 2 divided by 2 cancels out and leaves us with x. On the right side, 8 divided by 2 simplifies to 4. So now we have x equals 4. By dividing both sides by 2, we have successfully isolated the variable x and solved the equation. Therefore, the value of x is 4. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.